This tutorial, we will cover the installation of Verse and the Shop UI with 4 different categories. Remember to have a folder with the correct name as the Verse for images and the correct images names. Your Verse will have errors if the images is not found. Open Verse Explorer. Right-click Content and create a new Verse file. Double-click the file. Inside VS Code, open a file and open the Verse file you downloaded. Copy all content into the new Verse file. Build Verse. Now drag the Verse device into your map. Create a new folder or use an existing one. Right-click and Show in Explorer. Drag all the files into your folder and open the Shop UI widget. Everything has already been organized and renamed, so you can easily see which stack box controls each section inside the widget. First, we'll replace the background. Select the main background image, open your content browser, and drag your new image into the image slot. Next are the category images. If you want to move them around, select the stack box and adjust the translation values. To replace a category image, select the image inside the stack box and replace it the same way you replace the main background. Set the image size to 200 so it fits properly. Repeat this process for the rest of the images. You can use any custom images you prefer. After all images are inserted, compile and save, then close the widget. Now, let's move to the Verse device. First, add a button device that will open the shop and adjust its settings as needed. Connect it to the Verse device. Next, add a pop-up dialog device. Set it to 5 buttons. Change the main back button to button 5. Name all the buttons and set button 5 as Exit. Drag your Shop widget into the pop-up dialog device and connect it to the Verse device. Now we need triggers for the items. Add a trigger and configure it properly. Copy it for the pet and gold as well. To grant items, we need an item granter. Depending on your system, place your weapon item inside the item granter and connect it to the weapon trigger. For pets, you can't use an item granter. My pet system connects directly to the trigger to grant the pet, but we'll skip that for now. Copy the item granter for gold and connect it to the gold trigger. Then connect all triggers to the verse device. If any images look off-center, reopen the widget and adjust the stack box positions. Now for common errors. The first error you might get when adding the verse device is about a folder called Shop Icons. You must have a folder with that exact name in your main directory. The second error is related to icon names. You cannot use my icon names because yours will be different. My names match my project, which is why I don't get errors. If you want a full tutorial on adding more items to the shop or reducing categories, get this video to 50 likes and I'll make that tutorial. Thanks for watching. Join my server if you need help, and don't forget to subscribe.